Today, German-based Friedrich Ebert Foundation and Azerbaijan Youth Club held a conference titled Present State of Human Rights in Azerbaijan, Problems and International Standards. Representatives of several embassies, leaders of opposition parties, and representatives of NGOs were in attendance. The conference organizers expressed their disappointment in the absence of OSCE, the Council of Europe, and the Azerbaijani government's representatives. Conference participants spoke about how difficult the human rights situation is in Azerbaijan. The participants also spoke about the deteriorating state of freedom of expression, free elections, and freedom of assembly and property rights in Azerbaijan. The worst situation is in the freedom of expression sphere. The people who voice the truth are either arrested or charged with narcotics. Elmar Husseinov's murder, Inula Fatulayev's, and the bloggers' imprisonments strengthen the self-censorship in the media, IRFS chairman Emin Husseinov noted. The forum participants also touched on the parliamentary elections, which were claimed to be the most falsified elections in the past 30 years. Even the pluralism situation in the elections in the 1990s were better in the 2010 elections, and the freedom of assembly was apparent. However, this is not apparent in 2010, Musavat Party representative Arif Hajili noted. The forum attendees also spoke about property right violations. Speakers forecasted an increase in the violation of property rights. They related it to the rise in the oil price. In Azerbaijan, the people's property, houses, and estates are forcefully confiscated. Democracy starts from people's rights for property. The property right depends on the right to free election. There are no property rights in a country that lacks the right to free elections. Center for Assistance Economic Initiatives head Azer Mehdiev said. People's complaints are not investigated. Courts don't provide legal evaluation of complaints. They more frequently abide by orders and instructions. Even the European Court of Human Rights decisions are ignored. Lawyer Rasul Jafar said. Political expert Arastun Olujlu criticized the international organizations, including Council of Europe, OSCE, European Union, and foreign embassies. He noted that the embassies of EU countries in Azerbaijan have done nothing for the protection of human rights in Azerbaijan. Economic expert Natik Jafarlı said that ensuring long-term stability depends on ensuring democracy, human rights, and property rights. Musavat Party head Issa Gamber blamed the Aliyev regime for the violation of human rights. He also blamed Russia for not ensuring democracy and human rights in the region. The authoritarian regime in Russia formed the Authoritarian Union of CIS states and are eliminating all democratic standards in the region, he said. The Musavat leader also called on the Azerbaijani right defenders to protect WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange's rights. What can we understand if Julia Assange faces the same fate as Azadlık editor Ganimat Zahid? The human rights organizations should ensure his defense.